When you've opened a margin account, you can use the cash or securities in your account as collateral and trade on margin, which means you can borrow funds from FUTU Singapore to buy stocks. In this video, we'll go through how you can borrow funds to buy stocks using long margin. Once your account is funded or have securities which are marginable, you are eligible to trade on margin. Tap a stock in your watch list to go to the detailed quotes page. If the stock is available for buying on margin, the blue long margin icon should appear in the top right-hand corner. Tap the long margin icon to get more detailed information, such as initial margin, margin call, maintenance margin, and interest rate. Next, tap the Trade button. You can see Buy on Cash, which indicates the maximum number of shares to buy on your cash, and Buy on Margin, which indicates the maximum number of shares to buy on margin. Please take note that you will only use margin to buy stocks if the total order amount you have placed exceeds your cash available. If the amount of a buy order exceeds your cash available, you will receive a margin reminder, which alerts that you will use margin to purchase the stock. Pay attention to the risk level of your account, as you will be subjected to margin call and forced liquidation if the stock price is against your position. Tap on your brokerage account and tap Risk Level to access more information about the status of your account. If your account is in margin call status, kindly review the margin call amount in the Risk Level page and make the necessary top-up. However, if your account deteriorates to dangerous status, please note that your account will be subjected to immediate forced liquidation. If you have any questions, please email us at clientservice@futusg.com. Thank you for choosing moomoo.